Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Nexus Summaries from TaxJar. Detailed guide step. To download Nexus Summaries from TaxJar, start by logging into your TaxJar account. Enter your username and password in the appropriate fields. Once logged in, navigate to the Reports section of the dashboard. In the Reports menu, look for the option labeled Nexus Summary. Click on Nexus Summary to open the report interface. Here, you will see different filtering options for your Nexus data. Select the date range for which you want to download the summaries. You can choose a specific state or keep it set to all for a comprehensive overview. After adjusting the filters, click on the Generate Report button. Wait for the report to compile, which may take a few moments. Once the report is ready, you will see a download option. Click on the Download button, typically located at the top right corner. Choose your preferred file format, such as CSV or PDF. Once selected, the file will begin downloading to your device. Check your device's Downloads folder to locate the Nexus Summary file. Open the file to review your Nexus summaries as needed. Ensure that the data meets your requirements and is accurate. Now you have successfully downloaded Nexus Summaries from TaxJar. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.